Which graph has the following characteristics? 3 real zeros as x going to positive infinity, value of f of x is going to positive infinity, as x is going to negative infinity, f of x is going to negative infinity. First, we have 3 real zeros. We know that the real zero of function is real number that makes the value of a function equal to 0. It means it is where a graph crosses or touches the x-axis. We have y-axis, vertical and horizontal x-axis. So the first graph we see that we touch here one time and here we cross x-axis. So we have 2 real zeros. We need to have 3. So for sure this is not our graph. Next we have one point in which we cross x-axis, we touch and we cross. So 1, 2, 3. So can be our solution. The third graph has 3 points in which our graph crosses x-axis. So we have 3 zeros, and the last we have also 3 zeros. So we need to consider these 3 graphs only, because first for sure is not our solution because we have only 2 real zeros. So next we have, as x is going to positive, when we don't have sign, it's always positive infinity, values of our function are going to positive infinity. So let's see what we have in our first graph. X is going to positive infinity, so we are going to the right side. The values are going to infinity. The values of x are going to positive infinity, and what we see, our values of our function for x are going up. So here we have positive infinity. So values are positive. So everything is okay. X is going to infinity. F of x is going to infinity. But the third sentence is x is going to negative infinity. Then f of x is going to negative infinity. So negative values we have on the left side from zeros. So here we have negative infinity. X is going to negative infinity, but value, the graph of our function is going up. You see, so the values are going to positive infinity. So the third sentence is not true. So this is not our solution. We have here that when x is going to positive infinity, f of x is going to positive infinity, but when x is going to negative infinity, f of x is going to positive infinity also. So this is not our graph, because these values must going to negative infinity. Let's check the third. We have 3 zeros. When x is going to positive infinity, we see that the values are going down. Graph is going down. So it's not true. The values must going up. So let me write this. When x is going to positive infinity, f of x is going to negative infinity. The graph is going down. So this is also not our solution. And the fourth graph, we have 3 zeros, and when x is going to positive infinity, we have infinity, here the values going to negative infinity. So to positive infinity, we see that our graph is going up, so values are growing. So this is positive infinity. So everything is okay. When f(x) is going to positive infinity, f of x also going to positive infinity. And when x is going to negative infinity, so we are going to the left side, this is negative values, x is going to negative infinity, we see that the values are going down. We have the arrow down. So the values are going to negative infinity. So the fourth graph is our solution. We have 3 zeros. When x is going to positive infinity, value of f of x is going to positive infinity. When x is going to negative infinity, we see that the values are going to negative infinity, going down. So the solution is the fourth graph.